I'll let the auto do the rest. Oh man. She's gonna need clean. Oh, oh, you'll see my pack. Wait, hold on. Why is it still? I've already reviewed this car wash, so I'm not going to do a full-on review, but I rinsed it off a little bit with the self-serve, and now we're going through the auto. It's the same thing as the, I'll link the video in the description. I took the Ford Taurus through this car wash, so it's the exact same thing. I just have the truck, so I'm not going to review it again. Yeah, so we're seeing if it gets it all off. If not, we'll have to rinse it off. Got Snoopy with me. I would say yes, it did, but there's a few leftover chips from last time. It's oh well. These black spots have been there. That needs rub. I mean, it's a touchless wash, you know. It still does it well. Still a few stuff here, but that just needs wiped off with a towel. Other than that, I did a good job. Like I said, easy street car wash. I've reviewed this place before. If you're in the Myrtle Beach, South Carolina area, northern part of town, great place to get a car wash, as it does a fabulous job. They have 5 self-serve bays and 3 auto bays. So, pretty good. $12, pretty good. What's going on, guys? Gage here from the Rough Riders. We are continuing the end of summer tour here back in Myrtle Beach. I don't know if this area looks familiar, but Matt and I were up there playing Minecraft on that shack. And believe it or not, I'm the only one here, at least in this private area that our condo offers. I can't believe I'm the only one here. I bet you everybody was here during the day, because right now it's about 4 o'clock. So everybody's just left the beach and they're heading off to dinner while I just got here. Washed the truck up a little bit. Somebody almost ran into me on the way here, so yay. Or they pulled out in front of me and I almost ran into them. But anyway, luckily that didn't happen. Got most of the bugs off. Truck looks good in South Carolina. Looks pretty good. Got Snoopy and Brutus back there. Charmander's still back there. Yes, he stayed on the entire trip down. Alright, well, we're gonna go to the beach over here. The tide has gone down significantly. Oh, it's a fantastic area. I'm so glad I had my truck down here. Black car was good too. Let's see what these birds are up to. Now I know this is not car, well, not really car related or ATV, so if you guys don't like this vacation stuff, you know, you can go ahead and go to the next video. I'm just doing this just cause I haven't posted in a while. And this is the reason why I haven't posted in a while, because I've been down here. Well, by the time you guys see this video, I just got here. Well, right now, I just got here. By the time I post it, it'll be like 2 days. Oh, you're gonna get hit. what they've been eating over here.
Move, bitch! Get out the way! Get out the way! I'm so fresh, you can suck my nuts. I'm